So what's up guys, may bago kaming games. Ticket.
After getting your pilots also there so we can start.
Ito typing. Doon pwede din sa mga luna.
Have paddles here.
May paddle pa dun. So what are you gonna play right now? Pickleball. Okay. Mamaya mag-intro tayo guys.
Since you're not it's very important to sit guys.
Mga squad tayo ng paddle natin. I think this one is
Bagong sport, Mosander.
guys, may idea ba kayo sa pickleball?
Okay, so we're gonna have 3 stations. We're gonna teach you the strokes. Okay, but first we'll show you strokes. Okay, so first of all, this is called the kitchen. If you watch pickleball, most of the advanced players, you actually score your points in this area. Okay, yes, they have ground strokes, which is strong, but usually if you want to score, you're really in this area. Okay, so the rules are you cannot step, you cannot hit the body. So, a volley is, you don't make it bounce. Okay? So, if she steps in, if Coach I steps in and then it's high, you cannot hit it. Okay? So, that's a fault already. The only time you can hit the ball inside the kitchen is when it bounces inside. That's when you can hit it. Okay? If you do a volley and you fall inside, that's also a fault. Okay? So, because they're removing the advantage of people
Yeah.
okay, so now this is the thing. We're just going to show you the thing. The thing is how you control the game if you want it to fall inside the kitchen. Okay, so it's more of a controlled movement. So badminton players, we're going to remove your wrist action. Okay, so it's not just lifting it. So you're actually scooping it up. So you want the paddle underneath the ball. You can only set, so make sure when you're doing the drills, you already know that if it bounces, then you can step inside. Okay? If you don't spin it, you don't slice it, you're actually just pushing the ball to your, okay? The next stroke will be the volley. The volley is like in badminton, you don't let it bounce. Okay, so more of a control. Just like that. Okay? And the last one is the ground stroke, which is also just like the serve. Okay? So, it's just a forehand and a backhand. So, just make sure, because the ball doesn't bounce too high, it's actually low to high. Okay? So, Coach Ice would be handling that thing. It's more of a control sport. Don't be giggle and give it hard until you have the stroke now. Coach you naman later. Okay? So questions on that? Okay, let's go. Let's start. Let's have the badminton players. The last word with Coach Hayes.
Come on, sir, Mosander.
We can just communicate.
Asa Mosander. Paano mo wala tayong idea sa larong pickleball, Mosander, di ba?
Wala. Nasabak
So, actually ngayon lang namin to nalaman tong laro na to.
Tigil lang ko.
Para siyang lawn tennis na pinaliit. Anyways, guys. Anyways, mga boss under, so nandito tayo sa upper deck para matutunan tong bagong laro na aming nadiskubre. Tinatawag ko na pickleball. So, dahil dyan, manood muna kayo, okay? Wala kaming idea talaga, mga boss hunter, kung paano ito laruin na to. Kita nyo ba guys, mga boss under, naglalaro tayo ng pickleball. Kung yung idea, mamaya papaliwanag. Mga boss under, itong laro na to, tinatawag na pickleball. Okay. So first time namin maglaro nito, na-discover lang namin ito ni Boss D sa kanilang kamag-anak. So ngayon, susubukan na. Parang siyang maliit na paddle na tinatawag. Tapos parang siyang lawn tennis na pinaliit indoor. Boss D. So, at the moment, since kami mga beginner, mga boss under, kailangan namin muna magpaturo kung paano laruin to, no? Kaya si Boss D nakasala ngayon, no? Ayan. So, mga boss under, kung mapapansin nyo, no? Maliit lang yung court niya. Okay, yung bola niya para siyang gawa sa plastic na, maliit na plastic na bola. Okay, tapos yung paddle niya, parang siyang pinalaking table tennis na raketa ng table tennis. Parang ganun. Okay, tapos yung court niya, parang pang badminton. Pero yung net niya, pang tennis. Okay? So, ayan ka nakita. So, dito yan sa upper deck. Okay? Ayan. So, ayun, nakita nyo guys, no? Ayan. So, it's first time namin, mga boss under, na laruin to nga. Yun nga. Kailangan. Na-discover lang namin to. So, ayan. Diyan muna kayo, guys. So, ito yung tsura ng paddle niya. Para siyang pinalaking pang table tennis na raketa. Okay? So again, ang pangalan nitong laro na ito is pickleball. Okay? Hi!
Oh, diba?
Hello!
Pickleball
What can you say? Oh, what can you say? Pickleball.
Sabi natin ang goal, pag tayo mag-goal. Nakaka-team sa goal.
Right, right.
Magiging
Oh.
English share ka na.
Ano masasabi mo? Pickleball.
Nagtagal ka ba dito ka?
It's a,
Nandito rin sila.
Sab, ano, magpapalit ka na ba ng sport?
Ako na may dalang iba.
Diba?
Diba? Kilat ah. Hindi ko alam bakit pala malaki.
Pwede ko.
Hindi, pag nasa ano ka.
Kasi mabigat.
Okay guys, palang muna kami.
Kita ko nga eh, galing eh. Niloloko ko ni Coach. Sabi niya, athletic ng ng pamilya ko. Sabi niya, hindi nagmana sa'yo. Sabi niya, proud.
So far so good, Boss D.
So good. Nakita
Well,
ko na volley niyo, okay.
Cancel na yung cancel na yung goal.
Nawili na, nawili.
Mas mahal yung golf eh.
Mahal nga.
Benta ko na yung club ko. For sale, 450 na lang.
Yung
How much to?
research
Ito, normal nito, magkano?
and entry level lang yan.
Ah, and-
Bibili ka ng pero kung bibili ka ng magkano, maganda yung check mo na yung Yola.
Yola. Ay, parang yung pang ano din,
Kasi
table
search mo na yun
tennis.
yung review. Check yung mga review. Ano yung okay sa'yo. Kasi depende sa palo mo eh. Kung control or power.
Meron kayo
Ano
sa
ba yun?
Decathlon?
Ano yung Lola? Control?
Meron, iba-iba. Pero alam ko kayo kasi kung binibili niyo mga golf club, mamahal. I-research niyo yung bibili niyo.
Yeah, benta natin yung
Balita ko galing
So far.
ng golf ah.
Ayan. So far. So good.
Try it.
So, paano mo siya ikukumpara sa badminton or sa ibang sports?
Kailangan mas control dito.
Yeah,
Yun yung mahirap, control.
Guys,
Kasi nakakakilig. Pero kung nakita mo yung mga naglalaro talaga na once na magpapagan yung pag alam mo na mag-smash.
tournament, ano?
Oo.
Umangat ng kote.
Pagpagat ng kote, smash talaga. Pero kailangan mong alam yung